What happens if you take a Plymouth Road Runner, put it through an intense, multi-year build, adding all the latest tech, and you pump the muscle all the way up? You get this, the Roid Runner. Hey, George.
How you doing?
So, owner, designer, driving force behind this over-the-top build. How did this whole thing get started?
Well, I was started when I was 15 years old. I spotted a 1969 Road Runner on a buy here, pay here lot in Reno, Nevada. And my dad's girlfriend co-signed for me to pay $50 a week to buy a 1969 Road Runner that I had fallen in love with. Consequently, my father found out, made me stop paying for the car, and I pretty much vowed to have one sooner or later.
Let's dive into the exterior. What are some of the highlights?
Well, one of the major highlights that I really like is the chop top, which gave it a very low profile look, made the car look wide. We widened the rear fenders. The hood, we went through 2 or 3 different hood scoops to try to get the one that we like. And then of course the front and rear bumpers have been sucked in, cut. The part of the car that I like the most, and the most identifying part of the car for me was the front grille. The front grille tells me it's a 69 Road Runner. And that's the only thing that we left stock on the entire vehicle. It's a built supercharged Hemi. We're somewhere between 700 and 800 horsepower. Also, the attention to detail throughout the whole motor, and actually the whole car, all ARP bolts wherever we can find them, so they're all matching. There's a lot of attention to detail. It's got a fully custom frame. 69 Road Runner does not have a frame. It's unibodied. It's 4-linked. Has 8 inches of travel. For these giant wheels to fit up inside, and the car almost lays completely flat. The interior took 2 years all by itself, all completely handmade. It's got an EFI dash with an iPad control, completely iPad controlled system in here, which controls every aspect of the vehicle, whether you're raising or lowering it, raising the hood, raising the trunk. Stereo system is completely over the top, multiple speakers and amps and subs and so on, as you can see. The intricacy and the wiring, you can see that they're fully tubed, large pieces of copper to transmit, and it gives it a nice look, all bent perfectly. And then we topped it off with the Mercedes vents that are functional with the actual aroma. We chose to paint the car Magna Monza gray, which is a Mercedes color, and I always like the Arcuda graphics. And we tried to emulate that with our own touch. Probably my favorite part of the whole car, the lighting in the Plymouth and the way that the exhaust pipes came out the back end. It just made it look as modern as the rest of the car.
It's truly over the top, George. I've never seen another one like it. Thanks for the overview, man. It's awesome.
Appreciate it.
So if you're looking for the ultimate Road Runner flex, you can find the Roid Runner racing across the block at Mecum Las Vegas.